Oh, wow, yeah.
Okay, we'll try to do this. I do like the smell of this one, though.
What's your thoughts?
Whoa.
What's your thoughts?
Do you want a NeeDoh but can't find them at the stores? Well, we're about to show you how to make one yourself. We have our dumpling here, and we're going to put the filling of the dumpling inside.
Ooh, look at that.
Next up is the paintballs.
So these are washable paintballs, right?
Right.
So we're also using the Dr. Squish Maker, right?
We have throwable paintballs.
Ooh, look at those. They look like big purple eyeballs.
Gonna pump it up a bit more.
Okay. So this is the first of 3 homemade NeeDohs we're going to do, right?
Right. I think that's good.
Okay. Ooh, that's kind of...
Next, we put the stopper in.
Okay. And then it goes across.
Okay, now we lift up and twist. Ooh.
All right. Then we put this on. Okay.
Take off the top. Little bit of spillage, but overall pretty good. Ready? Look at how satisfying this looks.
Oh, look at those. Whoa, look at the paintballs inside of it.
Should we squish them?
Yeah, let's see if you can pop them.
Here's one.
So you've got this is your homemade NeeDoh with paintballs and gel. We made another one earlier with this blue one, right?
Right. So satisfying. Feels just like, I honestly like this better than the dumpling because the skin around it's so much like smoother and easier to squish.
And look at all the different colors on it. It almost looks like a rainbow on side, or like all the things. So this is the first one. So that is NeeDoh 1. You ready for NeeDoh 2?
Yes.
All right.
Next is this crunchy graveyard dirt slime. Ugh.
Does it smell good?
No. It smells like dirt.
And so...
Definitely need some more air. Yeah, all the air's gone.
This is the Dr. Squish Slime Maker, or Squishy Maker.
Oh my gosh, it's so underactivated at the bottom.
Oh, look at that.
Definitely
Whoa,
more
look.
air.
it like comes up out of the bottom. We must not have an airlock on there. There we go. We didn't have a good airlock. Now we do. So airlock is what keeps the air from going around the side. So if it leaks, that's what causes it to... you lose the vacuum and the little balloon no longer works.
Just picking up some on the left.
Okay. So again, here's our first one that we made. We're going to see if we like this slime...
Oh my gosh.
Crunchy slime one's better. It's like kinetic sand, but not. It's way, way crunchier, don't you think?
It stinks.
Yeah, it's called Hollywood Graveyard. It's not.
It smells like dirt.
It smells like dirt.
Okay. I think maybe we push it in a little bit.
Okay, and where's the stopper at that we have?
Got a little bit of air in there, but it's fine.
Might be a little bit left in there. We can kind of put in, right?
Okay, now we got our stopper.
Should we let some of the air out maybe? Here, you go ahead and close that a little bit, and we'll just let a little bit of air out. So we let a little bit of air out. Like,
I know how to do it.
oh, okay. She knows how to do it.
You just go like this. Whoa, very heavy. You just take it. Oh, right here. You just...
There you go. Good. All right. So now you're going to turn it. And we're going to use a stopper again, right?
This does look pretty good. Maybe a little bit of air could have been taken out.
And we're going.
A little bit more air, I should say.
All right. And so we really like making these homemade NeeDohs, don't we?
Yes. Ready? First squish.
What do you think so far?
It's great. I can definitely feel some underactivated parts, like right here. This is really hard. But then other than that, whoa.
Can I see it?
Could have probably removed some more air as well.
You know, it actually feels quite a bit like a NeeDoh, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So we could probably still let a little air out. That really does kind of feel like a NeeDoh. So this is Hollywood dirt, and so it's kind of neat because like the smelly is gone. It's just
Yeah. I think I like this one better though.
Okay. So that's 1, and this is 2. You ready for number 3?
Yeah.
I mean, that's some air. That's kind of cool though.
Time for our third and final one.
Oh, we're ready for the next one.
Cloud slime.
Ooh, cloud slime. So what does it actually look like?
Just white.
It's got some glitter in there too, doesn't it?
Yes. This will be such a satisfying squish.
Ooh, look at that. Ooh.
That's without the.
All right. So you're gonna.
Which we can overfill these kinds of slimes because you can take out air really easily.
Okay. So you're putting it in your Dr. Squish slime maker.
Yep. Okay. Perfect.
All right.
Where's the stopper?
It's right there.
Looking good.
Okay.
We gotta take out a lot of air for this one.
Okay, we're gonna take out a lot of air. So people home, do you have a favorite one? Do you like the paintball one? So far, this is our favorite, I think. The paintballs.
Okay.
All right. So you are working on it. You gotta have a.
Yeah. Just got a little. Oh no.
All
right.
It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Uh-oh. A little squeezed out. A little squeezed out. There you go.
Okay, first squish.
Whoa.
Ooh. This one's so satisfying.
Do you like that one?
Yes.
That one is pretty cool. Can I see it? Oh, wow. That's got like a really cool...
Feels like a NeeDoh. I feel like this one's very watery, and then this one, watery, firm.
And then you've got the crunchy texture.
And then compared this one to a real NeeDoh. This is, well hold on. Real NeeDoh. Kind of the same consistency, honestly.
So we were effective in making our own. Should we do a bonus one with this special crunch glitter slime? Look at this. People at home. What do you
Might
think?
as well. We need another balloon.
We're going to make a bonus
balloon.
special NeeDoh.
Speed round. Oh my gosh. This is really underactivated as well. At the bottom. You see this?
Oh, wow, yeah.
Okay. We'll try to do this. I do like the smell of this one though.
This has always been one of your favorite slimes. It's kind of dried out a little bit, right?
Underactivated for sure. My popsicle stick.
It has like a fruity smell to it.
Yes. Okay, there we go.
So let's look at the original NeeDoh. This is the original NeeDoh consistency, right?
This is this consistency.
Okay.
Where's it? Okay, here.
Now you gotta put the topper on.
Then I think the key is to let out some air.
I think so. Ooh, look at that inside of there. It looks so cool. Look at it inside the balloon.
Oh,
Oh,
definitely need to let out some air.
yeah, you let out the air because we don't want the top to... Okay, and then spin it. And then we've got...
That definitely needs to lose more air.
Okay. Oh, yeah, there's definitely air pockets in there, isn't there?
Mm-hmm. I'm going to try to push it all to the bottom. And... Okay. I think we got most of the air out this time.
All right, so clip it. There we go. With our...
Okay, ready?
What's your thoughts?
Whoa.
What's your thoughts?
Little air bubble, but this is really cool to squish. I like how it keeps its shape.
Just say, ooh. I really like the colors and the shimmering in it. It's crunchy too, isn't it?
Yeah, these are pretty close contenders, honestly.
All right, so let's rank them, assistant. We've made 4 special homemade NeeDoh balls.
Definitely could take more air out of this one.
Okay.
Okay.
So let's
My
rank.
ranking is number 4. This one.
The graveyard, Hollywood graveyard dirt, right?
It's just not doing much for me.
I think it's okay. I think it's if we didn't make the other ones, I think we would really enjoy it.
Next, the dumpling paintball one.
Oh, really? I thought that was going to be at least number 2.
Yeah, it did turn out like the same color as the skin of our NeeDoh.
Yeah.
Next is this one. Probably because it'd probably be closer to number 1, which is this one, if it had less air in it. But this one is near perfection. This one's really cool. We could add some color to it to make it less boring looking with white.
Or we could put some little charms inside of it too, right?
That might mess up the squish though.
Oh, yeah. Good point. Good point.
But
So
this one is so satisfying.
people at home, do you have a favorite? And what's your favorite way to make NeeDohs? Right? So they should leave a comment and let us know.
Yes!
Comments are on because this is a crafting video for teens and adults that are looking for fun.
A fun craft. Okay,
For
let's
some
see.
sensory tools, right?
Let's slow rising test.
Okay.
Okay. Whoa. Well. Whoa. This one probably wins. I think this one wins.
You think so?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. All right, what should the people at home do now?
Like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.